Caterpillar reported fiscal 2023 first quarter earnings results, and I've reviewed the financial figures and I wanted to share them with you today in this video. I'm also going to share if Caterpillar is an excellent dividend stock to buy right now, incorporating the latest figures into this decision. Now I've recommended Caterpillar stock as a buy before, and so with this quarter's earnings I want to see if it's still a buy or if my recommendation has changed. So you're not going to want to miss that. Before I share with you the earnings results, let me show you what Caterpillar's dividend yield is right now. As of this recording, Caterpillar has a dividend yield of 2.24%. So a reasonable dividend yield from Caterpillar, and investors can expect Caterpillar to continue raising its dividend over the next few years, as it has done for a very long time, Caterpillar being one of the companies with a long history of increasing its dividends per share. So in the quarter, Caterpillar's revenue increased by 17% to 15.9 billion. Earnings per share increased by 31% to $3.74. A very good quarter for Caterpillar. Operating profit jumped from 1.9 billion to 2.7 billion. The company is benefiting from a 1-2 punch of increasing prices and soaring consumer demand. So it's selling more of its equipment at higher prices, and that 1-2 punch is really boosting the company's revenue and earnings per share. Construction industry sales jumped by 10% year over year, and that's despite the Asia Pacific region being slow to rebound, right? That was one of the regions that's coming out of the pandemic, reopening its economies later than the rest of the world did. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now. The resource industry sales jumped by 21%. Energy and transportation sales rose 24%. So it's really firing on all cylinders right now. And management says to expect strong sales throughout 2023. And for the full year, look for profits to come in at the higher end of its forecast. So to begin the year, the company gave an outlook to investors saying, you know what, our profits could be anywhere from here to here, right? They usually do that. Management teams usually give a range of outcomes that could possibly occur for the year. But now management is saying, you know what? This year is getting off to such a strong start that you can look for the profit to be at the higher end of the range that we gave you to begin the year. So that's really, really good news for Caterpillar stock investors and for passive income investors looking for a really good dividend stock. Now, I mentioned earlier that I had Caterpillar stock rated as a buy. This was one of the companies I have rated as a buy. And after this quarter's earnings results, I would reiterate that I would still recommend Caterpillar stock as an excellent dividend stock to buy, or just an excellent stock to buy. Even if you're not a dividend stock investor, Caterpillar is still an excellent stock to buy. It's got soaring revenue, soaring profits, and the stock is not expensive. It's trading at a reasonable valuation. So it's got a lot of the things that I look for in an investment, and for that reason I have it recommended as a buy. But that's all I've got for this short video update of Caterpillar's latest earnings results. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, or if you want deeper analysis, please subscribe to my channel. I've got all different kinds of videos doing stock market research, stock analysis, deep dives, buy or sell recommendations, earnings reviews and previews, and much, much more. So please go ahead and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again for another video.